I welcome you to Village Herbs Clinic, and today we are going to learn something simple, and I want you to like and share and follow our videos. It's going to help you. Today we're going to learn about high blood pressure. A lot of people are having high blood pressure. We have the primary hypertension, the secondary hypertension, right? And today we are going to learn basically about the primary hypertension. When we talk about primary hypertension is being caused by other factors. Sometimes the causes are even unknown. Yeah. My secondary hypertension is being based on something that the person is having hypertension, maybe so they have some bone pain, that's why it's causing the hypertension as an example. Yeah. So we're talking about primary hypertension. That's what we're looking at. And we want to learn the simple herbs that can bring the hypertension down. Right. So I want you to like, share, and follow us. Honest. Sometimes when you get this education, if you don't follow us, you just should, because we are just going and going to know about villages. This is your first time learning about. So like and share our videos and follow us. So that anytime we do a post or education, you get to know just within 1 minute. You get to know whatever you have to do. Yeah, and the simple way of bringing the high blood pressure is using avocado seed. Get avocado seed, chop it, grind to become powder. Take 1 teaspoon in the morning, 1 teaspoon in the afternoon, 1 teaspoon in the evening. It's going to bring the high blood pressure down and you'll be happy. Thank you, Lord. We have other medication. Try this one and follow this one. Thanks, bye.